Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about it.
Much love to all my subscribers. Did you know this? July is the 7th month of the year, and the 4th of 7 months to have a length of 31 days. Did you know this? July was once the Roman 5th month of the year. July was originally called Quintilis. It was changed around 450 BCE. Did you know this? Leonard Bartley, known by his stage name Merciless, was born the 1st of July 1971 in the Turner district of Chapelton, Clarendon, Jamaica. He is a reggae and dancehall artist. Did you know this? Canada was born Monday, July 1st, 1867. Did you know this? Tanya Stevenson was born July 2nd, 1973. She is a Jamaican reggae singer who emerged in the late 1990s. Did you know this? American actor Tom Cruise was born July 3rd, 1962 in Syracuse, New York, United States. Did you know this? The Italian reggae ambassador, Alberto D'Ascola, better known by his stage name Alborisi, was born the 4th of July 1977. Did you know this? Owen Gray was born July 5th, 1939. He was one of Jamaica's foundation singers. Did you know this? Curtis James Jackson III, known as 50 Cent, was born July 6, 1975 in South Jamaica, New York, United States. He is a rapper, songwriter, television producer, actor, and businessman. Did you know this? Roy Gramps Morgan was born July 7, 1976 in Brooklyn, New York, United States. He's a reggae singer, instrumentalist, producer, record executive, and entrepreneur. Did you know this? Rielle Downs was born July 8, 2001. She is a Canadian actress known for her role as Charlotte on the Nickelodeon television series Henry Danger. Did you know this? Orenthal James Simpson, nicknamed O.J. Simpson, was born July 9, 1947, in San Francisco, California, United States. He is an American former football running back. Did you know this? Michael Owusu-Addo, known professionally as Sarkodie, was born July 10, 1985. He is a Ghanaian rapper and entrepreneur. Did you know this? July 11th every year is World Population Day. The event was established by the Governing Council of the United Nations Development Programme in 1989. Did you know this? Marion Hall, known by her stage name Lady Saw, was born July 12, 1969, in the parish of St. Mary, Jamaica. She was the first female dancehall reggae artist to be certified as a triple platinum and Grammy Award-winning artist. She is also known as the Queen of Dancehall. Did you know this? Kang Jo Jong, born July 13, 1969, in Detroit, Michigan, United States. He is an American stand-up comedian, actor, producer, writer, television personality, and licensed physician. Did you know this? Tamika Diane Cottle, other names, Tiny, Tamika Cottle, was born July 14, 1975. She is an American singer-songwriter and a member of the group Escape. Did you know this? Mark Anthony Myrie, known by his stage name Buju Banton, was born the 15th of July 1973 in Kingston, Jamaica. He is widely considered one of the most significant and well-regarded artists in Jamaican music. Did you know this? Desmond Dekker was born July 16, 1941 in the parish of St. Andrew, Jamaica. He was a Jamaican ska, rocksteady and reggae singer-songwriter and musician. Did you know this? Kerry Biles, also known as Junior Biles, Chubby, or King Chubby, was born July 17, 1948 in Kingston, Jamaica. He was a Jamaican reggae singer. Did you know this? Nelson Mandela was born July 18, 1918, in Mvezo, South Africa. He was the country's first black head of state and the first elected in a fully representative democratic election. Did you know this? Jonathan Dwight Jones was born July 19, 1987, in Rochester, New York, United States. He is an American professional mixed martial artist. Did you know this? Ray Allen Jr. was born July 20, 1975, at Castle Air Force Base, Atwater, California, United States. He is an American former professional basketball player. Did you know this? Damian Robert Nestor, Junior Gong Marley, was born July 21, 1978, in Kingston, Jamaica. He is a reggae dancehall artist, singer, rapper, songwriter, and record producer. Did you know this? July 22nd is Pi Approximation Day, also known as Casual Pi Day. The day is dedicated to the mathematical constant pi. People celebrate Pi Day by eating lots of pie. Did you know this? Bob Marley mother Cedilla Editha Booker was born July 23, 1926, in the parish of St. Anne, Jamaica. She was a singer and writer. Did you know this? Jennifer Lynn Lopez, nicknamed J-Lo, was born July 24, 1969 in Castle Hill, New York, United States. Did you know this? Constantia Marley, known by her stage name Rita Marley, was born July 25, 1946 in Santiago, Cuba. She was a reggae singer. Did you know this? Sandra Annette Bullock was born July 26, 1964, in Arlington County, Virginia, United States. She is an actress and producer. Did you know this? Warrior King was born July 27, 1979. He is a Jamaican reggae singer. Did you know this? Fitz Albert Cottrell, better known as President Brown, was born July 28, 1965. In Clarendon, Jamaica. He was a reggae and dancehall vocalist. Did you know this? Rasa was born July 29, 1980. In Andhra Pradesh, India. She is an actress who predominantly appeared in Telugu and Tamil films. Did you know this? Terrence Allen Cruz, born July 30, 1968. In Flint, Michigan, United States. He is an actor, comedian, activist, artist, bodybuilder, and former professional football player. Did you know this? Wesley Trent Snipes was born July 31, 1962 in Orlando, Florida, United States. He is an actor, film producer, and martial artist. Did you know all that? Well, if you didn't know, now you know.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.